Hey guys, a little nerd news. Oracle just released Java 13. So I'm reading an article in ZDNet. I'll put it in the link below and I'll give you my commentaries. Oracle programming language Java 13 is out. It will make you a more productive developer. Oracle commits to 6-month release cycles for Java. So what Oracle was doing for the longest time, it was taking forever to release a new version of Java. I believe they said once every few years. So that was an issue. When other competing technologies were releasing much more quickly, Java was getting a little long in the tooth. They going to be addressing things like performance, stability, security improvements, as well as 2 new preview features. So they got a preview feature, switch expressions and text blocks, which are designed to improve developer productivity. So that's really interesting, switch expressions. So you got the switch statement. So they turn into expression. So I guess you can come to an evaluation. This is something really interesting. They said they got the new text block feature, which is designed to simplify writing Java programs by easily expressing strings that span several lines of source code without escaping sequences. So why did I go, oh my God, that's crazy. Like, I haven't written software commercially in Java in long time. Many people have died since I wrote Java code commercially. But what they're discussing here is something really basic. You know, PHP has something called HereDoc. Python has the same type of thing, where you can just have chunks of text. Anyway, it's amazing that they're doing it. That's funny because when it comes to writing most business apps, that's a lot of Java. You're moving around strings all the time, right? Strings is text. You're moving strings all the time. You're moving ints and maybe date objects. That's it. Well, that's not it, but that's most of it. So the fact that they waited to Java 13 to do that, that's pretty amazing. Anyway, so I'll link to the article below. They go over the history about Java. Let me point out what people are going to be wondering about. Now, Java is still ranked as the most popular programming language in indexes like I always say this wrong, so TOB. However, snapping at its heels is JavaScript and Python, which developers are increasingly using to build cloud and API applications. Why? Speed of development. Speed of write time trumps speed of runtime. Java runs very fast, especially once it compiles, it's fast, but it's so slow to write in. So typically, Java had a 3-year cycle of releases, which is crazy, too long. So now they're going to a 6-month release cycle. And so, of course, I guess Oracle is feeling the heat. So let me answer the question I'm sure a lot of people have. Should you learn Java in 2019? Why not? You can't lose. If you want to get jobs in the enterprise, Android development, Java is going to be good for a long time. And if you learn Java and you become competent in Java, if for whatever reason an asteroid hits the Earth and Java starts tanking in terms of popularity, you will have the background, the nerd background in terms of software development to be able to move to any language you want. That's what's great about Java. When you learn Java, it's like getting in the ring with Mike Tyson or Conor McGregor or something. After that, any other language is like getting into the ring and fighting kittens with their claws removed. It becomes really, really easy. I did most of my development work in the 90s in Java. Most of my development work in Java, although I've written software in many languages. And that Java background has served me in such a great way because, again, Java teaches you all these different concepts and best coding practices and so forth, which carries over 102% into any other language. And that's it. So again, I don't use Java anymore because it's too verbose, it's too slow to write in, because the language is heavy. The infrastructure around Java is too heavy for me because I do small and startup type of work, small, medium-sized business type of work. Java is not suitable for that. Java is good for big corporations Even when it comes to Android development, even Google, because they were having some legal battles with Oracle, Google is now preferring Kotlin for Android development over Java. So keep that in mind. When the creator of Androids says, well, we're going to move from Java to Kotlin, that should tell you a lot. Doesn't mean Java's crap. It just means that that's where it's going. Again, young nerds are going to go, oh my God, I got to get out of Java. Oh my God. No, it's good for years, especially if you want to go work for large corporations. You're fantastic with Java. So there you go. Java 13 is out. You're going to see releases, more granular releases every 6 months, as opposed to huge releases every 3 years, which is better. They got to keep up. So they're starting to keep up with the market out there. All right. I hope you found this useful.